everyone, my name is Lara Joshua and I'm from BTVTED 3D. So my topic is all about geothermal energy. So before we start, let's talk about what is geothermal energy means. So geothermal energy is heat within the earth. So it means yung heat is galing sa inside ng earth. So the word geothermal comes from the Greek word geo, which means earth, and term therme, which means heat. So geothermal energy is a renewable energy. It means revisable source because heat is continuously produced inside the earth. And also, according to my research, geothermal energy uses range from large-scale electricity generation, which means using a high-temp steam. And it also distributed to direct heating, cooling for homes, businesses, and industries using low-temp water heat via heat pumps or district systems. So, ano nga ba yung importansya niya dito sa ating kalikasan? So, yung importansya nga niya sa kalikasan natin is to eliminate the combustion of fossil fuels on site and dramatically lower the need to generate power. So unlike the hydropower, yung galing sa water, yung electricity, which is unsafe kasi madaming tao ay malapit talaga sa disgrasya, 'di ba? And yung geothermal energy din is very risky. Kasi doon na papapasok yung mga pressurized hot water and geothermal heat pumps. So, mainit talaga 'yun. So, tapos na po tayo sa ating konting trivia about sa geothermal energy. So, let's focus about my topic, which is geothermal energy. So, may iba't ibang branch po ito. Mayroong dry steam, flash steam, binary cycle, geothermal heat pump, and direct use. So, let's start from the dry steam. It uses naturally occurring underground steam. So, gaya nga sabi ko kanina, yung ine-explain ko, yung heat ay galing sa loob ng earth mismo. And the steam goes directly to a turbine to generate electricity. So, unlike sa mga hydropower, meron silang parang ginagamit nila yung tubig, yung flow ng tubig para mag-generate ng electricity. Dito naman sa geothermal energy, yung ginagamit nila ay steam. Yung steam ay papasok doon sa turbine para mag-generate ng electricity. And it is also known as the oldest and simplest geothermal technology. So let's move on to flash steam. Pulls up super hot water from deep underground. So yung geothermal energy, it focuses only the heat inside of the earth. So gaya nga dito, super hot water from deep underground, which means sa loob mismo ng earth. And the water flashes into steam when pressure drops. So parang condensation siguro to or evaporation. 'Di ba pagka tulo ng tubig sa into the hot surface, magiging vapor siya, which is magiging steam. And also, the steam spins a turbine to produce electricity. Yun na nga, yung super hot water, naga-condense siya na para maging vapor, which is it turns into a steam para mag-spin yung turbine para mag-produce ng electricity. And it is also used when underground water is extremely hot, around 180 degree Celsius or more. So the next is binary cycle. Uses moderately hot water. So parang natural lang, siguro parehas lang sa mga thermos natin. Yung hot water, yung parang hindi talaga siya super mainit. So dito nga sa binary cycle, heat from the geothermal water warms a second fluid with a low boiling point. So yung boiling point niya is mababa lang compared sa flash steam, which is around 180 Celsius or more. So dito sa binary is very low lang yung boiling point niya. O parang hindi talaga siya dense. So and that secondary fluid turns into vapor and spins a turbine. So pabalik-balik lang, no, 'di ba? Pabalik-balik lang lahat. Pagkatapos ng tubig, tapos mag-condense yun siya, tapos magiging vapor, which nagatulak siya para mag-spin yung turbine to produce electricity. And also very clean, almost no emissions, but very risky. So the next is geothermal heat pump. Works near the surface using the stable ground temperature. So the geothermal heat pump, gaya nga sabi nila, works near the surface. Near, parang yung flow ng heat pump is nandun lang siya sa ibabaw ng Earth's crust using the stable ground temperature, which is not talaga totally mainit, hindi din talaga totally malamig, parang normal lang kumbaga. Moves heat into buildings for warmth or out of buildings to cool. So gaya nga sabi nila dito, no, moves heat into buildings for warmth or out of buildings to cool. Parang aircon lang. If need nyo magpalamig din. If need nyo din magpainit, ito din, iinit siya. So it is commonly used in homes and small buildings, no? Sabi nga dito kanina, yung parang aircon lang. Yung aircon kasi may dalawang classifications din ng aircon, which is may heater, yung parang heater, parang pinapainit niya yung isang kwarto kapag sobrang malamig na. And the last one is direct use. Uses hot water straight from the geothermal sources without converting it into electricity. So uses hot water straight from the geothermal sources daw, which means yung mga reservoir niya, yung mga hot water reserve, without converting it into electricity. Parang recycle lang pa. Parang reuse, redo, and recycle. For greenhouses, spas, drying crops, fish farming, and district heating, at marami pang iba. And it is also simple and very energy efficient. So the geothermal energy means that the main purpose of this geothermal energy is to produce electricity. Pero yung electricity niya ay saan nanggagaling, it means if saan siya nanggagaling ay dito mismo sa loob ng Earth. And that's it everyone. Thank you. God bless us all.